Katie Price's husband Lee Andrews reveals why he didn't fly to the UK to reunite with her as promised. Katie Price's husband Lee Andrews reveals why he didn't reunite with her in the UK as promised. Despite the delay, Lee claims he is excited to return to the UK and reunite with his wife. Colorado snowplow crash kills van driver. Injures 8 with California girls hockey team. A Colorado snowplow collision with a California girls hockey team's van resulted in the van driver's death and injuries to 8 passengers. The crash occurred on Interstate 70. And the team, Santa Clarita Lady Flyers 12AA, was en route to a tournament. Donations have raised over $35,000 for the affected families. Use Bet365 bonus code CBSBET365 to get $200 bonus bets by targeting Michigan State. Raptors Magic. New users can claim a $200 bonus bets offer from Bet365 with promo code CBSBET365. Utilize this offer for top picks in Michigan State college basketball matchup and NBA games like Raptors Magic and Nuggets Clippers. Pistons vs Warriors odds. Prediction. Spread. Time. 2026 NBA picks for Friday, January 30th from Proven Model. Detroit Pistons face Golden State Warriors in NBA clash on Friday, with the Warriors as 2.5-point favorites. The Sportsline projection model predicts over 224.5 points and projects Cade Cunningham to score 23.6 points for the Pistons, while Stephen Curry is projected to score 28.1 points for the Warriors. New users can access DraftKings or Bet365 promotions for added betting value. Senior citizen fixed deposit rates at 6.8 to 8.1%. Check offers by top banks. Senior citizen fixed deposit rates up to 8.1% are offered by small finance banks, making them the top choice for stable returns. Banks like Suryodaya, ESAF, and Utkarsh provide rates above 7.5%, with some offering over 8%. Private banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis Bank offer rates between 6.95% and 7.20%. How to download the new Aadhaar app? Can you update mobile number and address? The Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, has launched a new Aadhaar app, enabling users to update their mobile number and address directly through the app. Key features include selective data sharing, offline Aadhaar verification, and family management. Learn how to download the app and update details. MTV_DL 0.27.2. The latest version of MTV-DL 0.27.2 has been released, allowing users to easily download content from MediaTek View. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Check expected launch date, India price, camera, design, chipset and more. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, set to launch in February 2026, promises design, camera, and performance improvements. Expected features include a 200 megapixels main camera, 6.9-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a large battery. Release in India is anticipated by early March. Who is Jhansi Kanaba? India U14 star scripts history with Australian Open title. 14-year-old Jhansi Kanaba made history as the first Indian female to win the Australian Open U14 title, defeating Australia's Musamma Saleek in a thrilling comeback. Kanaba, a promising junior tennis player from Junagadh, Gujarat, showcased remarkable mental strength and composure to win the tournament. Indian women at workplaces. Gig workers stuck in low-paying jobs. India's female labor force participation rate has risen significantly over the past 6 years, with West Bengal, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh leading the way. However, challenges such as limited mobility, lack of affordable housing, and rigid work arrangements persist, keeping many women in low-paying jobs. Meanwhile, India's gig workforce has surged to 12 million. But 40% of these workers earn below 15,000 rupees monthly. Sabalenka vs Rybakina. Clijsters predicts who will dictate the final. In the upcoming final, Sabalenka and Rybakina are predicted to deliver a blockbuster match. Kim Clijsters believes the player who can dictate points early on will have an advantage, with Sabalenka having the edge in movement and variety. Both players are expected to hit big and serve well, making for a high-risk contest. Sitting Detroit judge. Lawyer allegedly looted vulnerable wards. A sitting Detroit judge, a lawyer, and 2 other Detroit residents were charged for embezzling money from vulnerable adults under their care. The group allegedly misused funds, including purchasing assets and personal expenses, from over 1,000 wards they were appointed to manage by the Wayne County Probate Court. Ranking Giannis Antetokounmpo trade packages. Who can make best deadline offer? The Milwaukee Bucks are considering trading Giannis Antetokounmpo before the deadline, and we've ranked the most likely offers. The Golden State Warriors lead with a package that includes Jimmy Butler, 4 first-round picks, and draft swaps. Miami Heat and Minnesota Timberwolves also have attractive offers, but the Warriors' future draft picks are more valuable. Melania movie review. All the money in the world can't make good propaganda. In Melania, a biopic directed by Brett Ratner, the former First Lady takes viewer through the 20 days leading up to her husband's second inauguration. The film, however, is criticized for lacking drama and depth, with Melania's demeanor remaining inscrutable. The production is accused of propaganda, but falls short of Leni Riefenstahl's visual and hypnotic style. The film's focus on minutiae, such as fabric choices and dinner plans, leaves out important context and current events. Mega Millions numbers. Are you the lucky winner of Friday's $303 million jackpot? Tonight's Mega Millions jackpot soars to an estimated $303 million. Check your numbers. The lucky winner could be you. The cash option is about $136.7 million. FPL Focus. Last chance to play your final chip. With the Fantasy Premier League at its midpoint, this week presents the last opportunity for managers to play their free hit chip for potential game-changing moves. We saw Jason Derulo at Glasgow Hydro with star delighting fans old and new. Jason Derulo thrilled Glasgow's Hydro crowd on the Last Dance tour with energetic performance, delivering hits like Watcha Say and Riden Solo. Support act Kira, a rising dark pop artist, also impressed with her vocals and authenticity. Kendrick Lamar, Bad Bunny, Lady Gaga face off at Grammys. Kendrick Lamar, Lady Gaga, Bad Bunny Lead Album of the Year nominations at the 68th Grammy Awards. Lamar, Gaga, and Puerto Rican sensation Bad Bunny are aiming for their first Album of the Year win. Bad Bunny's Un Verano Sin Ti is the first Spanish-language album nominated for this prestigious award. The Grammys will air on Sunday. The Coupang probe is a South Korea-US diplomatic row in the making. A data breach at Coupang, South Korea's largest online retailer, has ignited a trade and diplomatic dispute between Seoul and Washington, Fears of discrimination against American tech firms have led to stern warnings from the US. Intensifying the dispute, the South Korean government is investigating Coupang, while the company lobbies in Silicon Valley and Capitol Hill, raising concerns over sovereignty and diplomatic tensions. How to watch Blue Jackets vs Blackhawks. Live stream NHL TV channel. Columbus Blue Jackets aim for fourth consecutive win against slumping Chicago Blackhawks. Tune in to Fubo for live streaming.